Have you been invited to a virtual assessment center? What exactly happens after you click the joining link? Can recruiters really assess candidates remotely? And what should you expect on assessment day? So let's know what is a virtual assessment center. It is the online version of a traditional assessment center. Instead of attending an office or testing venue, candidates participate from home using a computer, webcam, microphone, and internet connection. Employers can assess multiple candidates simultaneously while reducing costs and increasing flexibility. So why companies use virtual assessment centers? Assess more candidates efficiently. That is, it evaluates large number of applicants simultaneously, thus speeding up recruitment. Reduce recruitment costs. This means it eliminates venue, travel, accommodation, and logistics expenses. Access a wider talent pool. So, assess candidates from different locations without requiring travel. Also, it improves scheduling flexibility. That is, it's easier to organize sessions for recruiters and candidates. Evaluate multiple skills at once. Other than this, it measures communication, teamwork, leadership, problem solving, and job related competencies in a single process. Additionally, ensure consistency and fairness. So, standardized exercises and scoring criteria create a uniform assessment experience. Apart from it, observe workplace behaviors. Now, group tasks, presentations, interviews, and role plays reveal how candidates perform in realistic situations. Record and review performance. Now, sessions can be reviewed later to spot objective evaluations. Accelerate hiring decisions. So, multiple assessments can be completed in one event, thus reducing time to hire. Support remote and hybrid work. So it helps identify candidates who can collaborate and perform effectively in digital environments. Common stages of a virtual assessment center. In order to make it easy to understand and save your time, I have designed a table with all necessary information. Have a look. Typical technologies used. So virtual assessment centers commonly use video conferencing platforms, online testing systems, digital collaboration tools, screen sharing software, and virtual breakout rooms, etc. Now all of these points have been detailed individually in separate videos. Now, candidates may be required to use webcams. This was all. Thanks for watching.